Hi guys, today I'll show you how to enable developer mode on a Samsung Tizen TV in 2026, quickly and step by step. First, grab your remote and press the home button. Now scroll all the way down and go to parameters at the bottom of the screen. Next, take your Samsung Smart Remote and locate the numbers button, the one with 1, 2, 3 written on the top left side. Once you find it, press the numbers button and carefully type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As soon as you finish, developer mode will appear on your screen. From here you can easily turn developer mode on or off. That's it, you are done. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon for more smart TV tips. Have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.